closing. In this lesson, you will learn how to create a new document, open a document, and close a document. Let's start with creating a new document. Before you begin your work, every time you have to create a new document, it's a fresh work area to start your work. You can create a new document in 4 ways. Double-click on the CorelDRAW X3 icon. The welcome screen will be visible. From there, click the New icon and create a new document. Here, as you see, the title bar is showing document's name as Graphic 1. The second way is, go to File and choose New from the File menu. The keyboard shortcut for creating a new document is Ctrl+N. A new document named Graphic 2 is created here. Another way is, go to File and choose New from Template from the menu. Templates are the predefined or pre-designed fresh pages. You can choose document layout from the list. Simply choose any of the following template designs. We obtained another new document named Graphic 3. One more way is, go to Standard Toolbar, click on the New icon, and this is the shortest method among all. Thus, we have an idea now how to create a new document to start our work. Let's see how to open a saved file in CorelDRAW X3. You can open a document in 3 ways. The first way, a document can be opened from the welcome screen by clicking Open or Recently Used icons. Both options enable the opening of the existing file from your hard drive or CD-ROM drive or from the network. If we are in the application, here are the 2 options with which you can open the existing works. One way is to go to File and choose Open from the menu. The Open Drawing window is visible here. In Look-in drop-down list, you can easily see the tree structure, from where you can choose your file name. You can also enter a name in the file name and select the file format also, which can be easily opened in CorelDRAW X3. Here, .cdr is the file format from CorelDRAW X3. Lastly, click Open. You will open your file. This is the preview window. Once you check it, it will give you a preview of selected files. Another way is to go to Standard Toolbar and click on the Open icon. Thus, you can easily open your existing file that you saved from the hard disk or CD-ROM drive or anywhere in the network. Now, how you can close a document. We learned how to create a new document and how to open a saved document file. Now it's time to learn how any document can be closed. There are 2 ways to close a document. The first way is to go to File, choose Close from the menu, and, second, on the track, click the cross on the right up corner of the screen or window. So now you can easily close your work document. I hope after completing this lesson you can easily create a new document, or you can open a saved document, or you can close any opened document.